Hi everyone. One of the tenets of a Mediterranean diet is to eat foods that are in season, and June is a perfect time for fruits and vegetables. So let's take a look at what foods are coming into season in June. Let's go. Cherries are at their peak in June. I adore cherries. Eat them straight up, use them in desserts, add them to ice cream, or plop a few in a glass of Prosecco. Stone fruits are also in season. Now that includes cherries, but also apricots, nectarines, plums, and peaches. We get peaches a little later in June in New Jersey, but I remember June being all about peaches when I lived in LA. It's a great time for berries as well. Strawberries have been going strong since May. We have strawberries growing in my garden. Later in the month, we'll start seeing blueberries. We have a little blueberry bush in our garden that's covered in berries, and they're not quite ready, but probably by the end of the month. Rhubarb is also in season. Have you ever cooked with rhubarb? You can make a strawberry rhubarb pie. But don't eat the leaves on a rhubarb because they can be toxic. Melons are also coming into season, so cantaloupe, honeydew, watermelon. It's a great time of year. Lettuces are also flourishing. I have a few kinds growing in my garden. We have arugula, red leaf, and butter lettuce. It's so fun to go out back, pick a few leaves, and make a salad. It always tastes better when you grow your own. We're also growing Swiss chard. We did this last year and it was so beautiful. The leaves were perfect. When they don't get handled and have to travel, they stay so pretty. The chard plants lasted all season and then came back on their own this summer. I bought a few more because we all love chard in this house. It's also the time of year when herbs are flourishing. They're so easy to grow in pots in your backyard. If you don't have any space, you can grow them in pots right in your house. They're like houseplants that you can eat. Try planting basil, bay leaf, chervil, coriander, dill, mint, oregano, parsley, rosemary, tarragon, and thyme. Onions, shallots, garlic, leeks, and chives. They're all part of the alum family. I consider these the foods that add a lot of flavor to your cooking. You can eat them raw or cooked. We made a pesto with our chives this year because we had so many. You can even eat the flowers. It's also a good time for beans, like green beans and fava beans, which are also known as broad beans. Beans are loaded with nutrients, including dietary fiber, and they also help you keep feeling full. It's also a good time of year for peppers, like sweet bell peppers and jalapeno peppers. In New Jersey, we have something that's called long hots. I don't know if you can get them everywhere. And long hots are, just like they say, they're long peppers that are very hot. Also Italian frying peppers, all kinds of peppers. Cherry peppers come a little later in the summer. So if you want to make my cherry pepper relish recipe, you're going to have to wait a little later in the summer. And last but not least are cucumbers. Who doesn't love cucumbers in a salad? Kids love cucumbers too. So if you have trouble getting kids to eat salad, try making them a cucumber salad. Cucumbers are also great to use for dips instead of chips. As you can see, June is a great month for all the fruits and veggies that are coming into season. I hope you have a very healthy and happy summer, and I will see you very soon. Bye.